Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARRY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Not sure I've ever done this analysis before, but had some requests and questions come on it today, rightfully so. Big volume today, in fact, the biggest it's had in a very, very long time. And with that, not such a good day for the bulls. Bears took a big bite out of the chart today. So what I want to mainly focus on is our levels of support as the price is currently sitting at a very important level. So I'll actually zoom in for the time being. And that very important level revolves around this pink line here, which is the famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it because it is a long-term indicator. And again, if you want the long-term to remain bullish, then yeah, the price has got to stay above it. And as it stands today, the price is technically below it. But the thing with supports and resistance levels is they're not specific exact prices. They do have a range element to it. So with that being said, I would still consider, the price well within the range of that 200-day simple moving average. So the question now going forward is, can the price maintain this pink line, or the bear is going to pick up that much more momentum? And how do you define pick up that much more momentum? Well, if the price just continues to separate further to the downside of that pink line, that just represents more momentum and bearish momentum. So if you kind of picture it as a court of law, the further and further the price separates from that pink line, that's just like more and more evidence building up in the bear's favor that not only are they taking over, but they're getting that much stronger in doing so. But as it stands right now, the bulls still have an opportunity to stay and maintain this level of the 200 days. So we'll see if they can do that or not. In the event the price does continue to pull to the downside, where are some next levels of support at? Next key overall area of support down there at the $7 mark. And $7, which isn't too far away right now, but in the event the $7 cannot hold, that's where things could really start to come undone as the next level of support, not until the $6 mark. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because as it stands right now, the 200-day is at least keeping the price within the range. So we'll see if they can continue to do that or not going forward, they being the bulls. As far as levels of resistance, just going to focus on one, and the overall level is right up there, that purple line there, which is the 50-day simple moving average. But as it stands right now, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority. Top priority right now for the chart is just stabilizing the price and trying to bottom it out. So we'll see if the bulls can get control over the next few days or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.